Once a year. Yeah. Yes. Awesome. Yo. Yo, your name's on your forehead. Alright, so obviously it's the weekend. I'm at my mom's house. Hey, Rocco, calm down, buddy. Why are you wearing a glove as a freaking sock? That's so weird. Are you okay? Yeah. Rocco, are you excited to see me? Okay, or not? Wah! Wah! Are you angry? Ah! Oh, shit! Bro, you got 1, 2, 3 bottles and you're still pouring more? Like, take it easy. There's 5% alcohol, but...
6.
Oh, okay. What the fuck? 4:30 in the morning. I'm just waking up, and as I'm just waking up, and my mom's just going now to sleep.
Now.
Why are you such a drunkie?
I'm not drunk.
I'm not drunkie. Anyway, let's go down to Raleigh, meet up with everybody else. Cars and Coffee is at 8 o'clock.
Yes, with my son. 4:32, Domingo, 28. My son, he's told me, go sleep, mom, go sleep, you're drunk. I'm not drunk. That's only I drink like 15 bar wines.
15 bottles of wine?
The wine, but I'm not drink. I'm okay.
You know how I know you're drunk? You're speaking English.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. Go to sleep already. Ew.
Yeah, and she will drop.
Alright, well, I gotta go, Mom. I love you. I'll see you later.
Got a little shawty, she off of Molly, she in love with the drugs. Wanna fuck when I'm done, kick it out, no time for fun.
Guys, we made it. Cars and Coffee. No fucking way. Is that Berto? No. At least.
No, it's not.
Bro, how you gonna tell me? Look, literally last vlog I told them get a new car, and they both go out and get cars. Oh, no fucking way. The man of the hour. The only one car I've been waiting for. I'll pick it up, I swear. God, my man's up, bro. The man of the hour. Guys, we're here. We're gonna get into the madness in a little bit.
39, I think.
But they gotta stock up on energy, McDonald's. Shout out to Juan for barely finishing his shit. Okay, that was fucking weird. Bro, update on your tattoo, Thomas. What happened to it?
That shit fading.
That shit's gone. Where's yours? Dude.
Hey, we getting fixed up.
Y'all need a fucking refund. Yeah, bro, blood. Hey, careful. Bro, literally hands down the best donut. It's fucking... Bitch, you fucking asshole. Nah, you beat. What the fuck you just say? Can you repeat that, please? You want to wrap your car what now?
Pink, nigga.
Are you talking about the wide body ones?
Yeah. Somebody could get this dude. This man always dancing, bro.
Losing all my innocence, yeah, body on my, riding on my innocence, yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah, body on my, riding on my innocence, yeah, on my.
Bro, the top is down. It is raining. You're fucking your car up, bro. Put the top up. Somebody tell him to put the top up. Put it up.
No bar, no car, man.
Jesus. Bro, it starts raining and everybody fucking loses their fucking mind. Jesus.
Sea drivers for you.
Oh, bro, they're popping and crackling. Y'all hear that? Holy shit.
What's a car?
It sounds like Godzilla. They're doing a raffle.
Didn't we draw this one already? Last 4 digits, 8080. 8080.
Again, bro. You're always leaving early. God freaking Durgan. Hey, send me a pizza. What? Imagine working on Sundays. God's gonna punish you. All right, can we please leave? Cause I'm tired of like just standing here. But I got an idea. Let's just play car roulette and we'll drive each other's cars. Put them in. Keys.
You gotta look away though.
Keys. I guess I'll have the car that's last picked. Everybody look away. Everybody look away.
Oh, you gotta like mix them up or something. Yeah, hold on. I got you.
All right, we'll mix them up.
Close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Why? So I can give you a fucking key. Alright, well, just close your eyes. You can pick it.
All right, you're gonna get entangled.
Yeah, I know. Fuck it, whatever.
Alright, close your eyes. Alright, put your hand out.
Put your hand out.
Yeah, pick one. Pick it up.
Imagine
No,
picks
wait.
his own car.
Pick a lanyard or something.
Just grab something.
He's like looking for his car. Ah, I see it. All right,
Somebody else.
go ahead,
Close your
AC.
eyes. Close your fucking eyes, mayate.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Go.
Bags.
All right,
Go.
mixing them up.
Alright, go ahead.
All right, go ahead, Lise.
Right here.
Oh shit.
Dude,
Damn, you about to spit flames again, alright? Alright, AC?
I got you. Yeah.
Alright, go ahead, AC. Choose a car. Sheesh. Whose car is that? Ah, lie. You better be fast. I'm driving the new 5-0. I'm about to show you what that thing can do, boy. Alright, what's up? So unfortunately, I forgot to film the rest of the car roulette shit. I am very sorry. I know that would have been kind of fun to watch, but my bad. Anyways, I hate to say it, but that's the end of this week's vlog. Everybody's out of energy. Juan's knocked down in the... Well, he's on his phone, but he's beat. Berto's beat too. Everybody else left. We're at Luis's house. He left us here at his house. I don't know where he went. But that's it for... like I said, that's it for this week's vlog. Like and subscribe. Comment. Follow us on social media. Everything's linked down in the description. And yeah.
Body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body on my, riding on my innocence, yeah. Body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body on my.
Are you guys comfy back there? Yes. All right.
Stop.